Hi, this is storm video number 3. It's around 10 and 11 in the morning. I've been cleaning up all morning, but I'm going to show you our street. It's flooded, tree down. Probably see it in the other videos, but I'm going to, again, an update. We got hit hard. What a mess. Send help. Alright. By the way, the other video, we need a new roof. But here's the bad part. All my branches. There you go. All that beautiful vines and flowers gone. Need a new all screens in the pool. Avocado tree, all the butterfly stuff. Now we'll go inside, get a picture of the lovely pool. There we go. Forget the towels, they're just work towels I'm trying to dry out. I put everything back out here. Opened up the shutters. Everything's dry in there. There's your pool. We already took out branches and the screens. See, there's no screens there. Blue sky. Over here, pretty bad. Alright. Watch yourself, we're going to the jungle. Oh, look at this. My metal rack. It was supposed to hold up all these trees. Look at this. This started out as a bush, became a tree. It's a fire bush, all for butterflies. I don't think I can save that. Gotta get the buzzsaw out tomorrow. Can't do everything today, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Here we go. Devastation. Oh, what's this? Hey, all the way from Wyoming. Not mine. There we go. Look at this. I worked so hard. Everything was flowers, butterflies. Start all over. Oh, my yucca tree. Right here, yucca tree. It's supposed to be over there straight up and down. Oh, damn it. Alright. Well, that's what I'm dealing with for the next week. Besides the insurance companies and roofing companies and screen companies. Just cleaned out the gutters up there. What a mess. Doing my best. I'm on my own. Look at it. The street's still flooded. By the way, this is the worst storm ever. We lived through it. Look at that. This has never flooded before. As far as the eye can see. I'm waiting for some fish to be jumping. Nope. Well, there you go. Talk to you later. Give you another update probably tomorrow.